So we have a bit of a problem here. We don't have enough parking, but hey, I can fix it. Hey everybody, this is Bill with Live Simple, Live Free, and I've got to make another parking spot here. We don't have quite enough. As you can see, when we drive into the driveway, we got 2 spots there for vehicles. We got a 3rd spot here that we have our cottage RV in, and then I still have my pickup truck, which is not here right now because it's in the shop getting in the inspection, but I've been actually parking the pickup right here. But as you can see, it slopes, and it was doing fine until we had 3 days of rain, and then this turned into total mud. You can see right here the tracks where it got stuck. I pulled it up in there, and the rear slid to the right, and it slid into the wall. And even with the 4-wheel drive, I could not get it out because the rear wheel was down in that hole, and I couldn't back it up because it was up against the wall. I had to actually get my son to tow me out, so that just didn't work. So what I'm going to do is I had a bunch of scrap cinder blocks and stuff around the property. I put them in there, broke them up a little bit, and then I'm going to fill this all in with gravel. So the other day I got that pile of gravel. Sorry I didn't turn the camera on when the truck was dumping it. I didn't think about it, but that's 16 tons of gravel. It cost me $315. Unfortunately, Barry has a backhoe, so I'm going to be able to use that. I'll put that all in here, make this all nice and level, and then slope it out around this way so I have a good solid pad of gravel to park the truck on, and then I won't get stuck anymore. Now I would have just put the gravel right on the ground, but Barry wanted the topsoil for some projects that he's doing, so we skimmed a few inches of topsoil off the top before we put the gravel down. Fortunately, Barry's pickup truck is a dump truck. Now, when he was renovating his house, he tore down an old chimney, and so this is a stack of the old bricks from the old chimney. And we were able to go and use it as fill underneath of the gravel, which works well to fill the hole and to get rid of his bricks. So here is the finished product, and I'm very happy with this. I can just drive right up on top of there now. It's nice and level, not going to slide off anymore. I still got a little bit of gravel left, and I'll be using some of that in the garden, which I'll show you in a later video. And then eventually we're going to be putting more gravel on this driveway as well. It goes up to the other house up there, so this will all be just flat. My father, the white van, every time he backs out, he drives out onto the grass a little bit here as he's making his turn. So I just put a little bit of gravel in there just to make the driveway a little bit wider. So I'm very happy with the project. I'm so glad I had Barry here with his backhoe to help me with it. That would have been a bear by hand, but I'm all good to go so that when I get my my truck back from the shop, I'll have a place to park it. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this. Live simple, live free, you be blessed. We'll see you next time.